Hi, my name is Salazar. I'm an application engineer here at ASSA ABLOY. I'm going to walk through the recently released unassigned option in the ASSA ABLOY ACCENTRA multifamily management software. This feature can determine the specific credential number of a physical fob where that number is not known. Here I have an ACCENTRA fob. If we take a look at the back, you can see the credential number. In my example, I'll be using a used fob where, as you can see, the credential number has been rubbed off. I will be presenting the fob to my podcast studio front door today, June 16, 2025 at 1:42 p.m. Here I have my lease. We're going to press Handout. We're going to click Choose Unassigned. This will allow us to see the credential number, the access area, and date and time. This will allow you to hand out directly to the lease, visitor, or staff profile you would like. We're going to click and press Handout. As you can see, the credential status is pending handout, and additional presentation to the updater is needed in order to complete the handout process. I'm going to present my fob to the updater. And if we refresh our screen, you can see that the credential status is assigned. Now that the fob is assigned, I'm going to present it to the second updater, which is the podcast studio backdoor. As you can see, we received a green LED light, meaning access was granted. And that's how you use the unassigned option in the ASSA ABLOY ACCENTRA multifamily management software. For more information or assistance, please give us a call at 1-800-810-9473 or contact us via email at support.aehg@assaabloy.com. Thank you.